Hey loves, it is your girl, Lovely Angel Lady, aka LAL. Hey, hey. So today I am bringing you a wig review on a baseball cap box braided wig. She is 24 inches in length in terms of the length of the braids. And this cost $36.99, but remember that prices are subject to change. She came with this weaving cap. I don't really use those. I just use regular wig caps. But yeah, and she had only a few of these little accessories for the braids. And I'm not going to use those today, but anywho, she is synthetic. She is made of high heat fiber, but she is synthetic. But I love the fact that the box braids are smaller and they are nice and long, like I said, 24 inches in length. And also the ombre effect, y'all. The ombre color is gorgeous. But we're going to go in with this Bobo's Remy leave-in conditioner. And you could also dip yours, but please, y'all, give this video a thumbs up if you are finding it helpful. Your girl would greatly appreciate it. But yeah, so it adds a little sheen, or you could use braid sheen spray. I have African Royal as well. So, you know, if I need to, I can do that. But you can always dip them in hot water to straighten them a little more. If you want to straighten your braids a little bit more. Oh, y'all, please do like, comment, and share this video. Sharing is caring. As y'all can see, the braids are nice and long, but this wig is pretty straightforward. But I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some foam. It is setting lotion. It is not as drying and doesn't get as crunchy as mousse because it is basically setting lotion in a foam. So I love this stuff. It's really conditioning for the hair, and I do like applying it to both synthetic and human hair wigs depending on the wig. But yeah, so not bad. You get approximately, according to the description on Amazon, you get approximately 60 braids on the cap. So she's good and full, but she's not heavy. Okay, and I love how long the braids are. Super cute, y'all. So anywho, just showing y'all that this is how the cap is constructed. You can adjust the cap by using the strap, the adjustable cap strap along the back of the cap. We're gonna go ahead and yes, we're gonna take off this little turban and we're gonna get this thing on. Let's get this on, y'all. And as you can see, I'm wearing a black cap because my cap is not going to show. This is not a lace front. But if you want a good wig for everyday wear, for just being on the go for casual days, she's a good one, y'all. I think I'm pretty happy with the quality of the wig and the price that I paid. So this video is not being sponsored. I purchased her with my own money. Just showing y'all, giving y'all the tea, you know what I'm saying? But let me know if y'all have any questions or anything down below in the comments. Please follow your girl on social media if you are not already. Lovely Angel Lady, all one word, and lovely.angelshop on Instagram. I'm on Facebook too, y'all. I am on TikTok. I am on Twitter a little bit, barely. But please subscribe. It costs you nothing to join the fam. Just make it official. Press that subscribe button, okay? And tap the alert bell. But your girl is heading out. So enjoy the pics, and I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Alright, my loves. Later.
Yeah.